When I came to Costa Rica, I knew that they had a great dental service and health service overall. And I started looking for a clinic, and that's when I found my Garita clinic. And as soon as I approached the office, I was welcomed with a very safe COVID-19 protocol, for which I have been through different tests. They care a lot about the safety of the patients and the staff, which have been great. They have been amazing, welcoming myself and also a friend of mine, arranging an appointment, rescheduling based on our needs. Plus the service, I had a very difficult case for which I needed veneers to cover a fractured tooth, and also aesthetically. They made it happen in a matter of a month, including the whitening, which has been perfect. It has been brilliant. So I'm very, very satisfied with the clinic and with the staff, and it's definitely a place that I would recommend to anyone coming to Costa Rica.